Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fawaz bin Ahmad Salim. In this video, I would like to present about my BMC. In BMC, there are a few things that we need to know, which is key partners, key activities, key resources, value proportions, customer relationship, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue stream. For customer segment, it consists of three things, which is corporate men and women, students and gents. For corporate men and women, it's very suitable for them to use the shoes because it is essential for them to wear these shoes practically. For example, if they have work outside, they need their phone always fully charged. Because they require their phone to get any information from office during work. For students, electro shoes are also suitable for them. Nowadays, people love fashions. Electro shoes is not common shoes that have out there. It are not just fashionable but also functional. For the university student, they have class about 8 hours per day, so they need their phone fully charged to make them can search something useful during class. For Gen Y, they love something that trending. If the electro shoes will be trend, Uitm Globalization, which is my company, can get more benefits. The trend now is a thing that has another function. For example, smartwatch trending nowadays. The watch is not only common watch, they also can take a photo, make a call and so on. That's why it is trending. Electro shoes also has same concept, which is can use as usual shoes and also can charge a phone. For value proportion of our company, it also consists of the point, which is first a rare personalization concept. Second, create product and experiences, and third, to be a global leader. For rare personalization concept, it is very important before manufacturing shoes. When the company has its own brand, the company needs its own identity or personality. So that when the users see these shoes, they will already know what brand they are. For Uitm Globalization, this company has its own personality which is a shoes with electronic system. When users see these shoes, they will know these shoes from Uitm Globalization. For create product and experiences, Uitm Globalization, we create product and experience for all people while solving problem. For example, when you go to the office and suddenly your phone was running out of battery, you just take the cable and just connect the USB to the battery store from your shoes. After that, take the cable and enter it to the charger port. It is very easier to the user that is do not like to bring a lot of things at the same time. The third point is to be a global leader. Uitm Globalization is to be a global leader in the performance with new technology footwear industry. In today's world, technology can be found at every corner. Technology makes the world function more efficiently. By manufacturing electro shoes, it will be shown to the world that shoes also be combined with technology that can help the user in problems. Next is channels. Channels also have 3 points, which is social media, product website, and YouTube. For social media, nowadays people will spend their time on social media such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, because there are a lot of information can get from there faster than other platform. So it is very important to altercate globalization to take a chance to sell the electro shoes and expand the business at social media. Next is product website. Altercate globalization also will sell the electro shoes through its own official website, which is Altercate Globalization Store. At the website, the product will explain more detail about everything that related with shoes, such as size, color, material, and others. So it will easier to user make a survey before buy the shoes. The last point is YouTube. Altercate Globalization also has its own YouTube channel. The content from this YouTube is all about the shoes, such as the way to style the shoes, how to use the energy that generated by the shoes, how to look after the shoes, and so on. This channel will be very useful for user that want to buy or already buy the shoes. The pay from YouTube will raise the company profit. For customer relationship, it is consist of membership benefits, free delivery and free return, design and quality, gift card and lifestyle. For membership benefits, membership card can also strengthen connection between customer with company, especially if the customer appreciate high esteem benefits. Member also will get postcard during celebration like Hari Raya, Christmas, and others as a sign of appreciation. Other than that, free delivery and free shipping are also important. 93% of customers prefer free shipping of any other type of discount. If the delivery is free, return also needs to free of charge. For design and quality, the altercate globalization needs to make a various of attractive design and high quality material every time manufacture shoes, so that the customer had to get bored with the same design. For the gift card, altercate globalization will give a card as a reward or gift to the customer. It is a part of company promotion strategy to entice the recipient to come in or return into our store. However, these gift cards are commonly redeemable only for purchases at our registered store only. For lifestyle, electro shoes can call as lifestyle shoes, which is shoes that can be worn anywhere, such as class, office, party, and special occasions. So it is show that these shoes are comfortable in any situation, and you no need to spend more on shoes. So it gives an advantage to the customer or user. For revenue streams are the different sources from which a business gain money from the sale of goods or the provision of services. For example, sale of product. Altercate globalization sells the electronic shoes at 400 per pair. The approximate sale is 250 pairs per month. For the first month, the sale is a little slow because the product just launched. After marketing, the sale is steadily increasing. The next example is customer demand. Customer usually request for wrapping to make a present. Alternative globalization did not do this service at first, but it is from customer demand, so this company take a chance to do this service, but customer needs to add more charge. Next is product set. Customer do not need to buy stocking, cable and extra battery saw for these electro shoes because it came with set. Just add a few costs. If customer buys it in set, customer can save more money and spend it to the other things. For key partners are the connection that you have with the other business, governmental or non-consumer entities that help the company to operate. For example, the designer. Alternative globalization has their own designer to design the electro shoes. For courier services, our users is located all state of country, so that this company needs to have a delivery service. This company decided to select the best courier services in this country, which is Pos Laju. This company just want only one courier service to cooperate to simplify the management process. Next is material provider. For alternative globalization, this company has their material provider as key partner, which is brother venture that can provide the material to make shoes such as leather, textiles, synthetics, rubber and foam. The next material provider is Sensoric Automation Sdn Bhd that can supply electronic parts to this company. These two material provider will help this company to run project successfully. Payment provider is also important. For alternative globalization, this company has select top 4 best payment service provider in this country, which is EGHL, iPay88, PayPal and M2 UPay. This payment provider will easier the user for payment process. For key activities are the activities that your business is occupied in for the basic role of making a benefits. Business activities include operation, promoting, creation, critical thinking and organization. There are a few examples such as first, quality control. Quality control is procedure through which a business look to guarantee that product quality is maintained or improved. Quality control require the business to make a situation in both administration and representative strive for perfection. For alternative globalization, this company is ensure that the product always in good condition and the product will be monitored for 24 hours by machine to make sure there is no defect at all the product. Next is innovation. Innovation is a new idea or new imagination in form or device or technique. For the first, electro shoes are ordinary shoes. After alternative globalization got an idea, the shoes that combine with electronic was produced. So the normal shoes are upgraded to electronic shoes. For product design is the process of imagining, making and iterating product that will solve user problems or address explicit needs in a given market. The alternative globalization is also ask for the user or customer if have any idea to improve the electro shoes to make sure the shoes got the best response by them. For key resources, it consists of 3 points, which is manufacturer, employees, and celebrity branding. A manufacturer is an individual
individual or an enrolled organization which make finished product from raw material in an offer to make a benefit. The goods are later distributed to wholesalers and retailers who then sell to customers. For Uitm globalization, the manufacturing facility is very significant to make sure the products are produced successfully. Manufacturers will in general produce things in mass. Large-scale manufacturing lowers labor costs and raw material can be bought at discounted prices. This results in appealing net revenue and higher precision in product quality. An employee is a person who has hired by an employer to do specific job. Invariably, employees are one of the important things that require to run a business. This company need employees to handle all things about company such as monitoring the manufacturing process, checking material quality, answering of telephone, serve the customer and so on. Without them, the manufacturing process is harder and take a lot of time. Next is celebrating branding. Celebrating branding is a form of marketing strategy or advertising campaign used by brand or company which involve celebrity or a well-known person using their social position. Celebrity branding is generally used by fashion, so it is suitable for Uitm globalization, who is a company that manufactures electro shoes. Shoes are become phenomenal at this time because shoes are a part of fashion. The last one is cost structure. Cost structure can be described as all costs involved to create a business model work. All the costs can be calculated after defining key resources, key activity and key partners. This is the last step in business model canvas and is very important. Cost structure is divided by two, which is first variable cost and second fixed cost. For the variable cost is a corporate cost that adjustment with respect to creation yield. In this company, the phone bill and electricity bill are variable costs because the prices will change every month. For the fixed cost is a cost that same and not change regardless of the volume of goods or of services. For Uitm globalization, the fixed cost is staff salary, building rental, machine rental, transport installment and advertising. Uitm globalization provided the shoes that combine with the technology that we call as electro shoes to be introduced to the community. This product will make the user easier to charge something with electronic systems such as handphone anytime and anywhere. Just wait till the battery fully generated and ready to use. Our goal is to easier user to charge gadget without bringing any power bank that needed to charge first at home before to use it. The electro shoes is merging of kinetic energy and electric energy. Every time we walk, we actually producing the energy. It is consists of two parts, which is shock harvester that will produce the electric during heel part touching the ground, and swing harvester that will produce the electric when the feet swing. The important part for these shoes is piezoelectric. Piezoelectric is a term that comes from pressure and electricity. When walking, the force that we call as mechanical force is generated, which is harvested or captured to generate the energy that is stored to the device for further use. That's all from me. Thank you.